Welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. This week we are talking about the Juan Fernández Firecrown. This is the Juan Fernández Firecrown. It is endemic to one singular island in the Juan Fernández archipelago, the Isla Robinson Crusoe. Now, there were actually two species of the Juan Fernández Firecrown. One was native to a different island, however that is now extinct, so this guy is the only one that is left. These hummingbirds are classified as being critically endangered. There's only between 1,500 and 3,500 mature individuals left. That's not counting juveniles and eggs. But if we do count the immature individuals, that does put the count somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000, which is still low enough to classify them as critically endangered. There's a couple different reasons for it becoming endangered, the main one being habitat loss due to the loss of native plants due to invasive species mainly, such as the blackberry. The blackberry has been introduced to the Isla Robinson Crusoe and it has wreaked havoc all across the entire island, choking out many native plant species, now causing them to also be endangered. Another threat to them is habitat loss due to invasive animals such as goats and rabbits, as well as predation by feral cats. Keep your cats indoors. Now, there are quite a few conservation efforts going on, both on the island, in the Juan Fernández Islands as a whole, as well as in Chile, which is kind of who owns the Juan Fernández Islands. Conservation efforts from both the islanders and off-island researchers are mainly focused on protecting the habitat. That includes the planting of native plants and the clearing of invasive plants, as well as trying to clear invasive predators and competition from the island, so controlling the goat and rabbit and cat populations in order to protect the habitat as well as protect the birds themselves. As far as I'm aware, there's no captive breeding efforts currently, but hummingbirds in general don't do amazing in captivity. They have very high energy demands and very aggressive, and they're just not super chill to have in captivity in most cases. But with the conservation efforts going on the island, hopefully the population of the Juan Fernández Firecrown can be saved, as well as many of the other endemic animals and plants to the Juan Fernández Islands.